How to use Soundboard on Roblox VC mobile. So since Roblox does not allow soundboards on mobile like those overlay apps that you think that works, you're gonna have to go for a more different solution. Again, mobile OS apps cannot route system audio into the microphone since Roblox voice chat only accepts real microphone input on mobile and not virtual audio. There are some workarounds like using external soundboards plus mic. You can play sounds from one device into the microphone of your phone. So the setup would be a phone, of course, your mobile device, then different phones that place the soundboard and then put your mic close to the second device's speaker. So it's super easy and works instantly, but the quality is not as good since, it's from a different device. Another is to use some devices that does use some sort of external audio. So you could use some sort of advanced audio mixers. So it's phone to audio player and then your mixer into the mic input and then the sound player. This routes physically into your phone like a real microphone. So it does work like PC soundboards and high quality, but the only cons is that it is a little expensive. Um, it does require cables and some splitters. So it's expected that you will be going for free stuff since you're looking for an app or some sort of overlay that can do this. Again, you cannot go for an overlay. Only external stuff like external devices or uh, external equipment. If you see in some games though, in Roblox, there are some things you can do with your voice like these over here. So we're in mic up right now in Roblox. So you do have the option to change your voice, but that only comes in a few games, a very few chosen games. Usually just hangout games like mic up over here. For example, just press on the left arrow over here and go for the voice. And there should be some voice changes over here or even maybe a soundboard. But right now it's only the voice changer actually. But again, external devices if you want a soundboard in Roblox VC. Well, hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.